Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by using filters on the Copart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then select one of the options when you are searching for a car, and select the featured items. Tap on filter down below in the left side corner of the screen, and here you can find a bunch of details that can be added in the left section, such as item types. Newly added lots can be selected, featured items. You can select more. You can also add the mileage, the year, the damage, vehicle type, make. You can select more than one. The model can be also selected, the model group, the ownership type, the engine type, transmission, fuel type, drivetrain, cylinder, sale name, location, body style, sale date and source. If you are done with adding all these filters, click on the apply button in the right side corner down below, and you will be able to search among all of the results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.